Flask Web and Microservices are crucial components in the software industry, enabling the development of efficient and scalable web applications. Flask, a micro-web framework written in Python, is renowned for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a popular choice among developers. Learning Flask Web and Microservices can be a relatively quick process, especially for individuals with a solid foundation in Python programming. Job opportunities in Flask Web and Microservices are abundant in India and abroad, with companies actively seeking skilled professionals to design and implement web solutions. In India, the average salary for Flask developers ranges from 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, depending on experience and expertise. Abroad, the earnings are even more lucrative, often surpassing $70,000 annually. With its widespread popularity, rapid learning curve, and lucrative job prospects, Flask Web and Microservices provide an excellent opportunity for aspiring developers to enter the software industry. Start your journey today with TechieHug. Our team of dedicated experts is ready to guide you.